This is her before. You can see the thinning in the front and through the crown. I braided her foundation and I'm crocheting in our deep red and black mix. Now I'm installing T's custom frontal to give her a natural hairline. Then to give her even more body, I crocheted in a few extra pieces, blending them through the crown and sides for a fuller finish. I fluffed and shaped everything so it falls naturally and frames her face.
Thank you, T, for doing my hair. I love it. Today I'm installing a medium length straight weave with silky baby hair using my T custom frontal. My client has some severe thinning in the front and right at the top, so we want full coverage that still looks natural.
Working with a little thinning in the front and the crown, so I'm keeping my sections clean and flat. This is a medium length wavy install in a deep blue and black blend to add volume and dimension. I'm sewing the tracks nice.
Before we start the install, I'm going to show the areas we're working with. You can see thinning right along the hairline, at the temples, and a patch in the crown where the scalp is showing through. We'll protect all of that and add fullness.
Tap the link in the bio or in the description below to get your custom frontal or order in today.
So yes, ladies, let's jump right into this video. Again, remember, you can still wear many beautiful styles, even with alopecia, hair loss, damaged hair, short hair. All you have to do is make sure that your natural hair is being protected and wear any protective style. So I am going to start off with first giving her a healthy braid pattern. Yes, I am going to make sure that her edges and the areas where she have hair loss is definitely protected. As you can see, I am not braiding her edges going back. I am braiding her edges going down. That releases and reduces a lot of tension, a lot of pulling, and a lot of stress on her edges. Her hair is much stronger up here at the top where I'm starting at, and again I am braiding these braids going downward, and then I am going to take this braid to the back, which is going to be a very healthy braid pattern for her. Yes, this is the completed braid pattern that I chose. It is going to be healthy for her hair as well as being very beneficial to the style that she is going to get. Yes, again, ladies, you can wear crochet braids, you can wear box braids, you can wear weaves, you can wear many styles that are very cute, pretty, sassy, classy, all the above, even with hair loss. So yes, again, ladies, don't give up. Here is her braid pattern. Of course, I am using my elastic band method. Yes, it is patent pending. My license for this product should be confirmed and completed very soon. Again, this is only sold on my website, not sold online, not sold in stores. So yes, get your order in. I am getting so many absolutely great reviews on this product. Yes, it is essential. It is so beneficial to any who has hair loss in the front, at the top. If you haven't frontal alopecia, if you have alopecia at the top of your head, around the edges, and the back, this is an amazing, I mean super amazing product to use. Yes, again, it is my elastic band closure, and again, it is only sold on my website, so get your order in today. Tap the link in the description. The price is very affordable. Again, it's reusable. I hand make them myself. Yes, each and every one is handmade by myself with special material so that the hair doesn't shed, so that you don't have bald spots. I just got a review. Actually, it's on one of the videos. Someone posted she bought a closure back in March. Ladies, that is 8 months ago, and she is still using it. So again, it is reusable. The price is very affordable. You can get it pre-braided, or you can buy it and braid it yourself. So again, get your order in and continue to watch my process so you can see how I accomplish and create this beautiful style for her. Again, continue to keep watching to the end. Thank you so much for all your love and support on my videos. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please tap that bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. Yes, I upload new videos every single week, so don't forget to tap that bell.
again.
Okay, family, so watch closely. This is education time. I want you to watch how easy it is to install on this closure. I am telling you, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Look at that. You do it just as you would do your normal natural hair or normal natural braid. Just slip that latch hook up underneath the braid and pull your crochet through, whether it's a crochet box braid, twist, boho braids, hippie braids, whatever braid you are using, it does not matter. All you have to do is just slip that crochet up under the braid as you would normally do. Attach your crochet and pull it on through and knot it like you always do. I mean, this is absolutely simple, easy, quick, fast, and it doesn't matter which kind of crochets you are using. So again, you can purchase this closure pre-braided when all you have to do is just attach it onto your head, because remember, this is my patent pendant and it has an elastic band already attached, so all you have to do is slip it on your hair. Ladies, no glue is needed. Again, no glue is needed for this closure. Again, you can buy it pre-braided or you can buy it not braided and braid it yourself. So it is up to you. Again, this is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can't get any simpler or any easier than this. Again, the closure is reusable, it's affordable, it doesn't shed, it doesn't get bald spots, and it is handmade by myself. So get your order in. And voila, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this came out. Look how natural her edges is. Look at these edges. Oh my gosh. The crochets are installed on the 4x4 closure as well as the elastic band and the net, so nothing is attached to her natural hair. And look at these edges. I mean, this is so natural looking. Ladies, if you haven't tried my product, please tap the link in the description below and get your order in today. And look at these beautiful, beautiful braids, box braids. You will never know that she had any hair loss. Thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and tap that bell. Stay safe and stay blessed. Again, you can wear braids, crochets, weaves. You can wear many different styles. There is help. And try growing your hair back today with our G&G hair growth products. Get your order in today. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.